What did you do? Oh, naughty. What did you do? Oh, that's what you did. Dempsey. Eating rocks. Come on. Come here. Yep. You are in trouble. Come on. You want to tell me what this is about? Dempsey, why did you do that? Why did you eat the bed? Oh, your puppy. Why did you do that? Why?
When I was in the 3rd grade, people treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Just put it up a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Cách cười tự nhiên khi gặp người mới quen.
아유 애교 많은 거 봐. 응?
It's the final brain cell. You want the tuna? Yeah? I think they want some tuna. Ooh. Yeah? Yeah.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Hey! It's your reflection, you idiot!
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Your mouth wasn't even open.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
If you follow people that's just because they're cute, that's fine. But there's some people that's not following me, and I am very cute.
Small boy, baby, tiny, tiny boy, does not know anything, does not even know ABCs, just knows be little and nap. So pure.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop. That is all. Duke, do you have a moment? Boop. Thank you.
This is the audio where you show your pet. This is them dry and this is them wet. They aren't the most important organism on earth, but that doesn't define their worth. Oh, my pet, yeah, my pet. And you haven't seen the best bit yet. Oh, my pet, yeah, my pet. Ah, Jesus Christ, what is it doing?
Kerbang! Oh no, slow death!
Open your mouth and see what your cat does. Fuck off. I'll kill you. No. Stop. Don't touch me. Dad, help.
Морти, положи на место. Морти, да хватит. Что ты? Зачем? Отдавай. Отдай. Да, Морти. Да сейчас подавишься. Фу.
You have to work today, Charlie.
What are you doing? You sure you're not hiding your toys again? Watch your tone, mister. You know you don't have to hide. You don't have to hide your toys. I'm not gonna take them. So, you won't mind if I check the bed sheets? Okay, then move. Move from the blanket. Yeah, move from the blanket. Move. Okay, I'm gonna move you then. Oh my god, these give me heart attacks every time. He keeps hiding those around the house, and I have a heart attack every time because I mistake them for real ones. Ugh! I caught you. Stop doing that. Oh my god, yeah? I found your toys, mister.
To all the animal lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Cats are the fucking best.
Monkey making the biscuits. You making the good ones? I love you, Monkey. Oh my goodness, look at those biscuits.
Why are you doing that? He's like, damn, I'm caught.
You can leave.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing cool cat
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to.
Why is he stuck like that?
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
Is that on?
Wanna get up and come over? Come on. Good morning. Wanna go over and hang out with your friends? Okay, let's do it. Well, what? You gotta talk about it, huh? You crack me up, Dial.